Hey guys, welcome back to the channel yet once again. It's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Miss Kiki. Y'all, I'm sorry. I got so many names, I totally forget. But nah. So it's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key, aka Miss Key Reacts, aka Houston It Is, aka I don't know. But now. So I'm back with another video, you guys. I know it's been a little while, but I wanted to come back on here and just show you guys that I ain't going nowhere. I know I may be gone for a few days or a week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for you guys. As I've stated before, if I'm not on here, I'm going to be on Instagram or Snapchat. You guys are also welcome to email me, which people have been doing, which I truly appreciate that because I check my emails more than I probably check Instagram or Snapchat. But anyways, so I wanted to talk to you guys about how to make friends in Houston. So it's just like anywhere. It's just like wherever you live. It's just like wherever you go. It's not really that big of a deal. It's super easy. A lot of people in Houston are very friendly. They're very homey, they're very southern. So, as I've stated before, like we are very welcoming, but not everybody is like that, okay? I would say a little over 50% is like that. I'm like that. My family is like that. There's other people that are not that I know. So pretty much a few things that I wanted to talk about is just be yourself, be who you are. You don't have to try to be this type of person just to fit in, if you will. Just be you. People will like you for who you are, and if they don't like you, then screw them. I don't want to say that, but just forget them. Like, who cares? You shouldn't have to try to be something that you're not or try to be someone that you're not. I've been there before and it doesn't work. Those people usually flee. Those people usually, are not supposed to be in your life, okay? So just be yourself, okay? Do what you enjoy. Whatever it is that you love, those people will be around, okay? So like for me, for example, I like to party, I like to travel. A lot of the friends that I've met or a lot of people that I still have in my life today, of course, will be family. Also people that enjoy doing the same things that I enjoy doing, which is always good because it's like, you may want to go to a party and those people will want to go with you, but then you have some friends or family who may not want to do those things. So it's kind of like a back and forth kind of thing, but just do what you enjoy. You'll attract those people, you'll meet those people, and you guys will enjoy doing the same things together. Next, so just pretty much speak, say hey, how you doing, kind of get to know them, ask questions. Don't be like, interrogating them or, be weird, if you will. Just kind of say, hey, how you doing, and if that person wants to converse with you or keep the conversation going, they will, just continue talking to you. So just kind of get to know them. Maybe you can say, hey, so what do you like to do for fun? Or what is it to do here in Houston? Or what do you usually do? And if you are interested in what they're doing, you guys can probably hang out, or if they're interested in what you're doing, they may want to hang out with you. So it can kind of go both ways. For me, I met a lot of people in my school days. And that being said, I'm talking about every single school, elementary, middle school, high school, college. I met a lot of people. Now, those people are not still in my life today, but I do have friends that are still there. Like I have maybe 1 or 2 friends from middle school that I still talk to till this day. People that I've worked with, we are still really, really cool. We hang out every now and again and things of that nature, those people may like to go to bars and parties, and so I like to do those things, so we do that together. So you just gotta kind of do what it is that you like, and those people will attract you. And always remember that you attract who you are. So if you're wondering, why is this person in my life, this person is this and this and this and that, but if you look in the mirror, you are probably that same type of person. But this is not always the case. This is just, a lot of the times you attract who you are, you attract those things that you want, and you also attract those things that you speak into existence. So just be mindful of that. But I did want to come on here and share that with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.